Hey everyone, if you archived a Trello card and you want it back, don't worry, it's super easy to restore it. You just need to know exactly where Trello hides them. So simply open the board where the card originally lived and head over to the menu on the right side. So if the menu isn't already open, just click the little show menu button. So inside there, you'll then be able to see an option that's called Archived Items. That's where Trello stores every single card and lists you've archived. So once you open the archived items, you also see your cards sitting there. So simply just find the one you want to bring back and click Send to Board. So Trello will then instantly restore it to the list it came from in the same order it was before. So if you want to keep things tidy, you can also move it to a different list directly from that same menu before archiving it. So Trello literally also lets you do that. And that's all there is to it. So your card will then be back on the board and ready to update, move, or reorganize however you want. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.